Let me do a quick refresher on what we talked about yesterday about functionality. Okay? When you are dealing with tables like this right here. Okay. Now, when you're dealing with tables, which is here, remember what I told you first. Before you do anything, you always have to scan for pairs that are exactly the same. So I have -2 and 8, -1 and 10. This, this, and 2 and -2 again. Okay, I see that there is a pair that is there. Okay, I see that these and these are exactly the same. What did I tell you about it? Erase the second one. Once I've erased the second one because it was a pair, now I check for repeating x's. Does my x still repeat after I have erased the double pairs? And the answer is no. Therefore, it is a function. Okay? If I did it and x still repeated, then we know it is not a function. Okay? We only check for repeating x's after. Again, we only check for repeating x's after we have scanned for double pairs. That is when you're dealing with a table. Now, if we are dealing with a mapping diagram, again, the basic rule is what? Two arrows coming out of one x value will say that it is not a function. Again, two arrows coming out from one x value, it is not a function. So this particular problem right here, my x value is -5. There are at least two arrows coming out of that number. That tells me that this is not a function. That's the only time when you're looking at a mapping diagram that it will not be a function. When two arrows come out of one x value. Okay? Again, two arrows come out of one x value, that is not a function. Just like this. Okay? Now, looking at this one right here. This is now a graph. I look at this and I say, okay, on this x value of -4, there's only one dot. Okay, that means that -4 only has 5 as a y value. In here, -2 has a 3 and it also has a -2. Why? When I draw a vertical line here, how many times does that line hit the points? There are 2. Not a function. Okay? Any spot that you drop a vertical line and you hit 2 points, not a function. Those are the only 3 different ways we can figure out functionality. Okay? First, scan for doubles, erase the second one, and check for repeating x's. Second is, let's look at this one right here. 2 arrows coming out of one x, not a function. Third one, 2 points coming out of the exact same x value, also not a function. Okay? That's it.